Back in the shop today. Welcome to another video. Got a friend of mine's car here, which if you are in the Australian drifting scene, you will know that that car has a bit of history. It's multiple championships it's won and multiple podiums. We make Jabs it, even though it's back to front. So it's just sitting here for a little bit. Jabs ended up selling it to another friend of mine, and it is just chilling while it gets fixed. And I've got something pretty fun that I'm working on today that I'll probably put more of a deeper video, because it's really just car related stuff, on the other channel, on the race service channel. But I thought I'd just show you a little bit what I'm working on. I've already worked up a sweat. It's hot. It's like 30 degrees here in Sydney, humid, and it's only getting worse. And jump in. I found some footage actually of me and Jabbit driving last year or the year before that I'll throw in just a second. And I'm going to be renting on this thing, white GS with the famous 2JZ engine. If you know 2JZs or you know Toyota, these are a powerhouse of an engine. Same engine that's in that, same engine that's there, same engine that's in that, same engine that's in that blue one out there. Not the M3, but the other one. So a powerhouse of an engine, something we really love. So I'll throw this footage in now, and then I'll jump upstairs and share with you some more crypto knowledge and news that's come out today, which is another huge American company has started to move some of their treasury away from US dollars and into Bitcoin. Another $100 million purchased, which is really cool. And MicroStrategy, which is almost, I feel like, my favorite topic right now. MicroStrategy has just sold a bunch of convertible bond notes to the tune of, I think, $750 million, and they're also buying Bitcoin with that. So they're really going all in. So a lot of news today. I'll share some of that stuff with you straight after I show you this video of me and Jabs driving. So I just jumped upstairs, and as you can see, it's hot. I've been sweating my ass off. Hands are covered in dirt. And as I mentioned before, MicroStrategy. It feels like every second video I'm talking about MicroStrategy, but they're just doing some amazing things for the space, really bringing in some liquid capital, which is what cryptocurrency really needs. Currently, they have just over 40,000 BTC, and they intended to raise $400 million in a convertible bond note, which they ended up raising $650 million, and they're intending to buy BTC with that. That means that they're going to be able to buy an additional 36,000 BTC, which is going to put them at close to 70, almost 80,000 BTC that they're holding. Now, they've already made significant profits. They're currently sitting at about $760 million worth of BTC before this new purchase, which they made a couple of months ago, or just over a month ago, before we had the run up from the 14K or 15K all the way up to the 19K, which is where we've been hovering today and for the last week. So they've already made like $250, $260 million on their purchase. So they're going ham, they're spending more money, and it is really, really good to see more liquidity being added to the market. There's another company called Mass Mutual, which is a Massachusetts-based insurance company that is buying $100 million worth of BTC as well. Now, as I mentioned before in a previous video, Citibank has downgraded the stock purchase for MicroStrategy from a buy to a sell. They've actually gone and changed that again to a neutral, so it's not a buy, not a sell, because they believe that, and this is coming from the horse's mouth, they think that MicroStrategy is taking too much risk by buying BTC, misappropriating customer funds or client funds, which really they're just looking at, and this is a quote from the CEO of MicroStrategy. He's looking at sitting on this massive pile of USD like it's a melting ice cube in a massive ocean. So he wants to hedge against the US dollar and have something that's going to increase, not decrease. We're going to see a lot of these new or up-and-coming companies in the traditional market starting to use BTC as a hedge. So I think it's really, really exciting for the space. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of great news. And we kind of bounced at the 17K USD mark. And now we're sitting at the low 1900s USD. And it doesn't look like there's any steam that it's lost, that it's still just sitting there, still doing really, really well. And we could potentially be at the 20K mark soon when it could really blow through. So yeah, super excited about that. You can tell I'm a little bit tired. It's been a really long day. I've been doing physical labor, which is not really my thing. I'm really good at sitting behind a desk and working on a computer. But at the same time, I really, really enjoy doing this stuff behind in my cars and working on my cars and learning a bunch of new stuff there. Just trying to resets the brain and gets me thinking differently. And just a quick word from our sponsor, BlockFi. You've got the ability to put your crypto to work with BlockFi and earn up to 8.6% per annum with your interest account. Now, if you sign up today, you get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more. This is really cool. If you're wanting to earn some interest on your cryptocurrency or just get some more crypto, this is a great way to do this. I also mentioned if you are looking to borrow against your cryptocurrency, they allow you to do that. They charge you a very low interest rate of 4.5%. They will lend up to 50% of your cryptocurrency. So if you've got $10,000, they will lend you up to $5,000 at a 4.5% interest rate, which is essentially in Australia what you are paying for a mortgage for a house, which is just absolutely crazy. And the loan is for 12 months. They're also backed by some of the biggest names in cryptocurrency: Morgan Creek Capital Management, Coinbase Ventures, Galaxy Digital, the Winklevoss Capital, and a few other ones that I can't pronounce. So yeah, that's it from me today. I really enjoyed making this video for you. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and yeah, looking forward to sharing more stuff with you tomorrow. Okay guys, speak to you then. Bye.